Khulum kata kote bukuk jong no joton no lamsogo. Hanya hai tu fekya nong ni bagi ketal job notification. Ita kote bukuk jong SSC ni bukuk ti nongko ka ketal job notification. Ka job notification nongko majago tam tam tong. Sab apply klaiman apply klanya thang tini tam tam nang. Video seng kaham ke saimelanye. Ita kote bukuk jong staff selection commission SSC ni bukuk ti nongko ka ketal job notification or to nor nugu nyotokna 17,727 জনের বাগৈ নখকা কেটাল জব নোটিফিকেশন জব নোটিফিকেশন নখমা জাগা তাম তাম তং ফাইদিসং নাইনাইলানি এটা কত বুকজং আরো পুইলানো সুজাক staff selection commissions of India SSC 2024 is offering 17,727 new job opportunities. Inta khote bukhjong o jago ketal job opportunities borok karika gagai oroseng tolawo tam tam naine organization ni bumung tora norong nugun tongkhana staff selection commission SSC posting ke tam tam post ni bagai oro job notification hoka phaidiseng tabuk nainilni pulan tongo assistant account officer in India audit and account 2 number tongo assistant section officer ngake 3 number ngake assistant in central vigilance commissioner assistant in intelligence bureau assistant in ministry of railway assistant in ministry of external affairs assistant in AFHQ assistant in other ministry department inspector of income tax inspector in central excise inspector preventive officer inspector examiner assistant enforcement officer sub-inspector in CBI inspector of post DOP divisional accountant statistical investigator grade 2 inspector in narcotic bureau auditor in CNAG auditor in CGDA and etc accountant JA in CGM senior secretarial assistant tax assistant in CBDT tax assistant in CBEC complayer sub-inspector in narcotics bureau sub-inspector in NIA takte buksong o jaga answer kabangma job ni bagai borok job notification karikha prai 30 ta hai ka 32 ta rokawno o jaga job posting borok o jaga job ketal karimini total vacancy singkata norok saini rakha 17,727 jonani bagai o jaga job notification karikha job location ke all over India no norok o job no thangai khlaimanai sabo khlaiman hingke graduate from any recognized university or institute inta khote bukjong norok sudu matra graduate khlaijak tongkhana college pass angjak tongkhana norok o job ni bagai apply khlaimano skill hingke norok freshers phono o jaga khlaimano freshers welcome hanine o jaga borok sirijak requirement hingke estimate hingke 18 বছর নিচিমি 32 বছর জরা o jaga norok job no apply khlaimano as relaxation hingke ST SC rok hingke 5 বছর as relaxation mane OBC rok hingke 3 বছর joratoi norok as relaxation manimano sab khlaiman hingke all India candidate no chela haikba buri rok bo o job ni bagai nai apply khlaimano selection process hingke online test nai abo norok saini mano SSC ni on sabsomoi no online test ngo o haikba objective type haideba takte buksa multiple choice question phaida abo tier 1 haikba tier 2 by exam najangnai sudu matra exam bani o jaga norok o job no manai mano application fee ni kok sana thake to general OBC ngai 100 taka norok application fee marnai ST SC women rok ngke kuno rang khoksapuno nanglak PWD bahai hai rang khoksapuno riawino norok o job no apply khlaimanam general tai OBC rok payment khlainani hingke online be credit card debit card haikaba net banking by o job no apply khlai mano haikba o job ni application fee rok norok joma rwi mano salary ni kok sana thangka to as per SSC rule SSC ni je rule tongo abo ni tuino norok salary manai mano tei bo kaham ke saimana musung khangke description no link rijak tongo link ko thangnai norok official SSC ni official je website tongo website thangai official notification rok norok poriwi akoi nai kaham ke bujui nai apply khlai ke angke belai kheno chanai angkangke starting date rok sang tabuk tolao nani lene important date hingke ora tongo start date for online application angke 24 June ni simino o job ni apply ni date start ingni paikha o jaga o application ungkongnai painai 27 July jora noro o job no apply khlai mano exam date hingke 1 September rogono noro o job no job ni exam rok ri mano gangke tini bagui ansatong sitong takute bukhuk chong norok no jotono hambai.